Hey everyone, okay, so I have my sew sampler for December that just came in, so let's see what we got. It says flurries of fun. I'm so used to saying furry. So flurries of fun. And we get a freebie if we spend over 60 bucks. So pretty cool. Okay, so we have our little cheat sheet that tells us how much things are. Okay, so we got a Purple Hobbies pattern stand. Oh, so my mom and I are so excited. We get to go to a retreat. Our local guild has a retreat twice a year, and it's only $25 a day, you guys, and we get lunch and dinner, and of course, you know, we all contribute and bring, you know, things to share, so we get our oink on, and it's amazing. It's so fun. Let's see. This is valued at $11.98. So I was like, oh, I need my pattern stand, which I usually use my Lori Holt one, or actually I use my Lori Holt one to hold my rulers. I use the pink one that you get off Amazon for my pattern holder. So now I got something that's easier to transport. So perfect. And let's see, and it can go, so your pattern goes like that, and it'll hold it. I love it. So cool. I'm excited about that one. That's cool. That's really useful right now. So perfect. Okay. And let's see. We got some goodies. We got Snowdrift quilt pattern. To finish 48.5 by 60.5. That's a pretty one. It really is. It's a pretty one. And then of course this one. This is the block 9 of their monthly fun things. Okay, so this is a quilt as you go. Oh, and this is $10, $9.98, and this one is usually $4.98. And this is a 14-inch project bag quilt as you go kit. So those are usually June Taylor. A quilt as you go is usually that. Oh, so here's your zipper, your vinyl, your quilt. I like quilt as you go. I think they're fun. So, oh, it is this one. Oh, so 14-inch project bag. That's cool. I like that. So, yeah. So you got all the stuff you need to make it. Perfect. Okay, I like that. And then let's go with this. Oh, the Lori Holt. Oh, we get the Lori Holt Cute Cuts self-healing mat. There we go. Wow. And that is, it's double-sided. Oh, I just love the colors. This is perfect. I've been using this. I've been using the Dollar Tree one, actually, guys. The Dollar Tree one is nice, too. I'll tell you. This one, of course, is thicker, and it seems like it's a little bit sturdier. But the Dollar Tree one, if you can only afford that, get that one. It's actually really nice, and I use that where I quilt right now in my bedroom. So yeah, but this one's nice also, so I'll end up using both of them. So that's a good one, and that is valued at $10.74. Oh, and the quilt as you go was valued at $9.98, so not too bad. $10 for a project bag, a do-it-yourselfer. And then this one is, oh, this is Camille Ross Kelly Rosemary Cottage. I didn't get this line, so that's cool. I don't think I got it, but I could have. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I don't think I did, but you know, I have a lot, and I do know I have a lot, but I use everything. So, and I want to use everything. Oh yeah, I did get this one because this is the swoon pattern I saw, and I think if I didn't get it in fat quarters, I may have gotten it in layer cake or jelly roll. So yeah, so I did get this one because that's the swoon. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, and this is valued at $24.98. I am really happy with this this month's kit. I love everything I got. So yeah, so I will continue to get this for the month. So yeah. We'll see what January brings us, because January seems they have a really good one because they really want to entice everyone to sign up. So let's see what January brings. I hope it's a good one. But yeah, really happy. All right, guys, that was it. So what was your favorite thing? What would you use? What would you get rid of? You know, I love the pattern thing. I'm going to pack that up tonight because our retreat's on Friday. All right, guys, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday and Wednesday. So, but if not, Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.